Okay, so we're gonna move on to the dryer and try get this in one-handed somehow. This is a 10.5 tot duvet and the Samsung 16 kilogram heat pump dryer. No problem doing this. This isn't the first time I've washed and dried this, so as you can see, it's absolutely huge. Plenty room. Like, no problem at all. Can easily tumble around in there. Double filter. Not easy to open with one hand. But there we go. Open there too. So let's try and see if we can do anything with this one now. We'll use bedding. That goes to dry level 3 as standard, which is fine with me. And now what you see is it goes backwards to sense how long it is. And for some reason, same as the washing machine, it doesn't show the sensing symbol for the bedding cycle. It's very weird, I think. So it still says 254, 53 now, but usually takes about an hour. So once it gets going, no problem though. It comes out perfectly dry all the way through. All the seams, all the edges, all fine. I'll also be putting those in next, the sheets, that you'll be able to see those too. But for now, that's all that'll do. It does go back the other way every so often to untangle things, I guess, but no problem at all. Okay, so the duvet came out totally fine, dry, as to be expected. Now we'll just put the sheets in. And I'll film a bit of that. Okay. An hour 15 to dry them, but it probably won't take more than about 45-50 minutes. Sorry about the reflection, it's super bright here and there's a double doors behind me. But that's generally how it goes. Nothing's balled up so far. I've had them for over a month now. Nothing's balled up. and it does spin the other direction from time to time for a good bit, for maybe 2 minutes. That's about it. As I said, I love them both now. Hopefully they'll last me for a good long time. Hopefully that will help anyone who's thinking of purchasing these. I recommend them anyway.